Dahil vertically challenged din itong mga defenders, mga athletic tong players ng GRU na hindi katangkaran, may advantage siyang pumalo ng pumalo.
Yeah, kaya siya yung pinupuntahan dito. And balikan natin yung report ni Riri as Alimen. That is dug up by Alonia, who had a solid game previously against Arellano. EAC's identity is their floor defense, so that's a given. But for JRU, interesting na wing attackers ang ni-reinforce dito ni Coach Mia, given that the Twin Towers, talking about Del Pilar and Patara, are gonna be checked today. But EAC is off to a fantastic start. It is another drop down the middle for the Lady Generals.
5 out of those 6 points, lagi nanggaling dun sa gitna na yun.
Isa dito, or at least one of these teams rather, will see their losing skid finally end here. Formento. Alimen on the approach, and she is still hot, riding that momentum in their previous game against Perpetual. 17 points previously. Now, she is firing again, Coach.
Just as I expected, napansin ko to for that drop na patalikod, reverse.
But again, she had the right intention. Kinapos nga lang. Oh, Alimen from the middle this time.
Only one intention, to break down the defense.
And after some drop balls earlier, good reception from JRU. It leads to this Nicole Deala attack. And that's a player they need to go to more. Deala is averaging just a little under 11 points per match. Tsaka kalipoint at a time. But Alimen, Alonia this time, reading it well. Return, Yanyan was there again. Itatawid ng JRU. Set up for EAC. Bodonal puts it down.
So the attackers of EAC having a better time here. It comes from their serves. Yung mga palo nila malakas. Kahit si Yanyan, tinatrabaho yung...
Meili Amante. They go to Cara Dayanan. And she ends set number 1, 25-11. Simple but crisp execution after the timeout para dito sa EAC Lady Generals. And Formento. Diretso kay Hasareno. Siya yung nag-set up kay Kayla, si Deala yun. This is Razonable, who is now in the game. Nicely done by Alonia. Ramos puts it away.
There you go. When you control that first ball, it's easier for your attackers to get to their spots.
This is Yanyan Alonia. You see her barking instructions.
Not only that, you see her eyebrows.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Kita mo, kaya nilang i-apula at saka gumagana na yung mga attackers nila.
Yeah. Oh, naabangan si Ramos. Isa pa. Inangguluhan. Alimen was there. Jing will take it. Inday. They go back to Ramos. She puts it down. And she puts JRU back in front.
Ang JRU, no, parang yung mga teams na marunong sila eh. Pero nagugulat to start off the game. Na parang, uy, big stage. Tapos pagka they get their groove, okay, ko-compete sila. Tapos pagka sa dulo, di sila pwede bumitaw. Kailangan ngangat-ngat sila. The confidence comes with reps eh. Comes with reps. Paulit-ulit kong sinasabi yan eh.
Actually, this is now the challenge for both teams. Dahil yun yung problema nila in the previous games as Alimen flies in for the cross-court kill.
Okay, mainit na siya ulit. Tignan mo, iba yung vertical niya pagka pumapalo ng mainit eh.
Puporsyento na yung mga setter natin, Coach. Alimen is the first option for EAC. JRU, asahan yung puntahan itong si Nicole Deala. But they go to Del Pilar here for more unpredictability. Popped up by De Andres. Bodonal approaching and scores. EAC takes over the lead and is now at set point.
Good approach by Bodonal. Solid hit for her.
A 6-2 run by the Lady Generals. Jing Alimen will begin. Too strong.
Sinasabi ni Coach Rod, sure lang, pasok mo lang. Kitang-kita natin, walang reaction the whole game. Parehas tayo nakita natin, pasok mo lang. Porsyentuhan eh. Crucial eh, pasok mo lang yan.
So now, it's an extended second set.
Sure ball lang, pasok mo lang.
Set up here. Bodonal. Denied. Mula naman sa likod.
Oh,
Alimen.
attack error!
Sending it low.
Attack error!
And JRU, their turn to be at set point situation.
Nagpatungkol.
Will start. Oh, good serve, but Alonia picks it up. Ramos. Chance for EAC. Dayanan.
That's what they needed. And that's what si Coach Rod. Focus na kayo. Execute. So, Dayanan here. Talagang ina-atake nila yung side ni Laurente. Consciously, dinadala nila doon.
6 puntos na para kay Cara Dayanan. And another chance for EAC to take a commanding lead in the match. Another good serve. Tinawid to. Bumalik sa JRU. Second ball was non-existent for the Lady Bombers. And EAC will steal set number 2.
That was a good set. That was a good set for both teams. Sa dulo lang nagkatalo. 2 good serves by Magalona saved that set for their squad. Ganda nung pagpasok niya ng bola. Porcentuan, sure ball lang. Yun lang yung importante.
That's right.
Medyo, pagka mga running hits out, medyo mataas eh, para meron kang angle.
Execution-wise, I think that's the first fault for Villena, no?
Good setup job!
There you go.
And that's what we're saying. Gusto mo malapit sa net. Gusto mo right on timing, right on schedule. Great setup. And right here, ang lapit sa net.
Combination play. Patara. Formento choosing Villena. Better reaction from the Lady Bombers. Tinawid ni Dayala. Good ball. Alimen. Kept up. Hazareno.
Oh, good hit.
Yes.
Good hit. One of the few times that Milan Nazareno got a good hit. Sakto yung timing niya rito. Ang gandang trajectory ng bola.
Nabibigyan ng bola dito si Kayla Hazareno. It is now a 6-point lead. Hold on. There's a new face for EAC. This is Florence Jane Domo. Ang pinalitan niya si Jing Alimen.
Gusto lang bigyan ng few reminders si Coach Rod.
Batara! Yun, may diin. Mula kay Kring.
Solid hit. Good setup. Again, close to the net. Right at the apex.
15.
Court ng kalaban, they will take it.
Sharp serve. Ayala! Yun ang inahanap. Napamatay sunog para sa JRU. Get that finishing kick. Ah, there you go. Better execution.
Finishing touches. Say good first ball eh. Good first ball. Let Inday work. Marunong maglagay ng bola yung Laurente pag maganda yung kahit nasa likod siya, nalalagay niya kung saan dapat ilagay niya. So, yan naman talaga dapat yung skill ng setter. Eh. Lagay mo dun sa mga kayang paluin ng mga attackers mo.
Kayla Hazareno will end. Set number 3. JRU stays alive in the match. They get their first set win dito po sa ating laban against EAC. Their veteran Kayla Hazareno.
Dito may mga middles na malalakas pumalo.
But I agree, yung reach niya.
Oo, ang haba nung lengthy siya eh. Ibatara. Off on the floor. Picking up that first ball.
Ito, si Villena.
Oh, good shot.
Dive by Deara. Swing by Ramos. EAC on the attack. Podonal. Pankring. Again with coverage. Ramos. Lumagpas. Aliman drops it in. Perfect read for Jing.
Good read right there. Going for that medyo tahimik na siya nga dito sa past two sets natin. Yung 17, tahimik ha. Kasi karamihan nun nakuha niya in the first set.
That's right. Tying her output against Perpetual. 17 points now for Alimen, recognizing that there was a scramble on the other side and making the perfect read. EAC just down by 2. This is Ramos from the other side. Geno Mapas. Hindi tatawid. Alimen with some power.
Some is an understatement. A lot of power of that hit. The fastball for Alimen.
14-10. Back to a more comfortable cushion for JRU. Aliman, too strong, but there was a check.
Ball was touched by the Lady Bombers. Point for EAC.
19 points now for Jing Aliman.
Diana serving.
This is a piece for the future for EAC.
Future is now.
Yeah.
Future is now.
Again, a first-year player. She has 4 more years here in the NCAA. Nicole Deala connecting.
Ito gagaling pa to.
Now,
Meron pa tong 3 taon sa JRU. Gagaling tong batan to. Saka matapang maglaro, madiin.
malakas na siya pumalo.
Oo.
Unpredictable na. Madedevelop pa niya.
Parang last year, mas malakas nga yung Dayam
Oh, yeah.
sa kanya. Ngayon, medyo, kaya siya talaga yung ace ng team na to.
And Jing Aliman reaches the 20-point plateau. On fire throughout the match. They found their new ace. Talking about EAC. Here's the jump serve. Oh. Again, Alonia just absorbing it. Trap ball. Adjustment by Deala. And now, second technical timeout. Apat ang abante ng JRU trying to force a 5th. You see the numbers for Cara Dayanan today. Yeah, that's a better first pass. And Pat Del Pilar takes advantage.
There you go.
Set point, JRU.
Pagka nakakuha sila ng magandang set first ball talaga, first ball. Well, for any team naman, any team that plays volleyball, important yung first ball. Pero mas na-amplify lang pagka yung team mo bata. Kasi maraming error sa reception.
Aliman! Sabi niya, not yet. 23 points now for Jing Aliman. And now, she has the opportunity to put pressure again on JRU's reception. Sa kanya magsisimula to.
Sure in lang.
Naku, jump serve. That's a good one. Set up. Good reaction. Bodonal. Badara. Bodonal again. Yan Alonia ang nagbigay kay Hazareno. Denied. Laurente to Deala. Here's Bodonal.
Mapalag pa to. Mapalag pa.
2 straight for EAC.
Palag pa, palag. Laban lang. Di ba tapos eh. Laban lang, sir.
23-24. Another set point saved by EAC. Oh! Service ace! to force an extension in the fourth set. Jing Alimen
Score is
with some magic. 24 all. Alimen has 24 points. Batara. It goes back to EAC's side. Alonia. Deyala. Bodonal. Oh, good reaction from Alonia.
Good save.
Hazareno off speed. Still up. Yanyan with yet another dig. Deyala puts it down.
Great sequence there by both attackers, but an even better job by Yanyan Alonia popping up that volleyball twice in that sequence. And you know where the ball would go?
Hindi pwede sa akin. Kailangan nyo isip.
Magalona. Siya yung hero nung set 2. Deyala!
Baon na baon yung palo ni Nicole Deyala. Alam mo na to. And, gotta give credit din kay Laurente. We're not playing around.
Yeah.
I am not playing around. I'll bring it to my ace. Kumbaga sa puso pupuntahan mo lagi yung alas mo.
Pero ngayon, nasa likod na siya. Another set point situation for JRU. Bordonal is denied. JRU forces set number 5.
Pinasarap lang, Mart. Pinasarap lang, pinaganda lang. And Kring Batara roofing that attack.
Emphatic rejection. JRU is trying to make a run, and Kayla Hazareno
Services. Kayla.
connects on an ace.
Here we go.
Oh, ito na. The chance of the JRU students to celebrate.
4, serving 6.
Hazareno. That time, even targeting Karel De Andres. Better first ball that time. Preta approaches. Amante naman mula sa kabila. Oh, it rolled back to JRU's side. 7-4 in favor of EAC.
Serving on deck and for Mentor.
Tense moments here in the fifth set. It'll start with Anformento. Amante bouncing in.
They'll take the points. They need it. And Meili Amante coming off the bench with their first attack. Point. Yan, first attack point. Pero kanina pa umaatake yan. Nakatatlong subok na. 1 out of 3. Not bad.
Crucial one provided by Amante.
Grabe yung kumpiyansa ni Coach Mia.
Oh, tuloy-tuloy dito sa mga players niya dito. Setup for Alimen. She had to stop for that. Preta. De Andres. Dayanan.
Fresh legs.
Returned. Alimen. Lumusot.
Nakabuelo. Mukhang humahabol sa 30.
And we switch sides. Jing Alimen with her 26th point of the match. Again, she serves it well for Mento, setting up Dayanan. Dug up. Preta. For Mento. To Bodonal. Deflected. And Bodonal scores.
Back-to-back hits. Coming off Bodonal.
Nakabawi si Erica Bodonal.
Feisty itong dalawang teams nito.
Serving for the Lady
Laban
Maria Magalona.
Eto ang nag-pressure sa JRU noong second set. Rhea Magalona forces a difficult reception. Bodonal!
3 straight.
Erica Bodonal is taking over in the fifth set.
Timeout.
She gives EAC